Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to animate in Canva one by one. First, open Canva on your PC. Once the application loads, you will see various templates and design options available. Then, go to the text section and add a heading to your design. This will be the main title that captures attention. After that, add a subheading below the heading to provide additional context or information. Next, include a title and a bit of body text to further elaborate on your message. This will help convey the information clearly. Now, select all the text elements you have added. Once they are highlighted, click on the Animate option in the top menu. Here you will find a selection of basic animations. Scroll down to explore the different animation styles available and select the one you like best. Then, play the video preview to check how the animations look in action. You can adjust the speed of the animations to match your preference and ensure they fit well with the overall design. Additionally, you can add font combinations from the left side to enhance the visual appeal of your text. Finally, apply the animation settings you desire. You can choose to animate the text both on enter or exit, depending on how you want the elements to appear or disappear in your design. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.